Can the use of zinc help you pass a drug test? Welcome. My name is David Jolly, and by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you did by simply clicking on the subscribe button below. Thanks. Okay, in a previous video I discussed the effects of using zinc and marijuana drug tests. The evidence gained from scientific research suggests that zinc could assist in passing a marijuana drug test as it acts as an interferent with the detection of THC metabolites in urine for 12 to 18 hours. Importantly, the effects seem to be limited to light cannabis use only, and the study concentrated on one form of urine testing, the ELISA. Well, the question posed in this video is, does the use of zinc reduce the detection of drugs other than marijuana? And the answer is yes. A study published in 2011 entitled "Zinc Reduces the Detection of Cocaine, Methamphetamine, and THC by ELISA Urine Testing" addressed questions regarding zinc as an adulterant for drug testing. The study used drug-free urine samples that were then fortified with different amounts of methamphetamines and a metabolite of cocaine. Zinc sulfate was then added and the effect tested. The results confirmed that zinc sulfate and zinc supplements were effective in interfering with the detection of both methamphetamine and cocaine. Additionally, the testing confirmed that no suitable method could be established to detect the zinc in the urine samples. Now, there's a possible hiccup here, and that is that these results were obtained when using the ELISA urine testing for drugs. Another later study used a different testing procedure, the EMIT, and came to a different conclusion, of course. And if you're confused, you're not alone. What we can conclude is that a zinc supplement taken orally may produce a false negative for methamphetamine and cocaine with ELISA-based testing, but not necessarily for other forms of urine testing. Therefore, the use of zinc for drug testing is still unreliable because it depends on the type of testing used. And as a reminder, zinc, when used for this purpose, is an adulterant, and as such, I do not recommend or advise using this for the purpose of passing a drug test in a court of law. For more videos on drug testing and criminal law, please subscribe to this channel.